Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Renu Bhadoria, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Theodore Levitt says, "It is the salesman who keeps the selling system in a good shape." A good salesman can sell the product for a weak organization. But you might have not heard that a weak salesman selling a product for a sound organization. Yes, salesperson should develop certain qualities to be successful in their career, to be more smarter, to be more proficient. In today's video, we will see what qualities a salesperson must have to be successful in their career. And these qualities are given under different heads. First head is physical qualities. In the physical qualities, number one, a salesman should have sound health. A salesman should be mentally and physically fit, like any other human being. Good appearance. Good appearance always attracts people. He must carry his body well. The third under physical qualities, cheerful disposition. A scholar has rightly said that smile is like a plague. If the salesperson is cheerful, happy, he can make his customer happy as well. Fourth, postures. The gestures and postures are very important. The movement of hands, the shoulders movements, sometimes it's create bad impression in the mind of the prospective buyer. So he should use his gestures and postures very wisely. Cleanliness. No person like to sit around and listen to a dirty fellow. He must be clean shaved, he must be clear, he must be neat and clean, etc. Next is clothing. Dressing sense of a salesperson often increase his confidence and likability by the customers. So these are the physical qualities of a salesperson. Now let's have a look on speaking qualities. First, clear pronunciation. A salesperson should have clear pronunciation, otherwise may misinterpret things. A salesperson without good pronunciation can never become a good salesman. Proper vocabulary. While giving presentation, proper choice of word is very important. A salesman should have a good vocabulary that create lasting impression on the customers. Then next is effective delivery. Many times how we speak is more important than what we speak. If the delivery style is not good, the salesperson may not able to persuade customers to buy the product. The third qualities and important qualities in a salesperson is mental qualities. Under this, first is resourcefulness. A resourceful salesperson is one who understands and behaves according to the changing circumstances. A good salesperson can change his behavior according to the customer and situation. Intelligence. A salesperson must be intelligent. He must handle all the objection of the customer with his intelligence. Third is sharp memory. To be successful, a salesperson must have a sharp memory. He must remember his meeting, his previous customers, and the customers' likes and dislikes. Fourth is maturity. A salesperson must be mature enough to understand his duties and obligations. Next, self-confidence. Self-confidence is a thing which could help a salesperson to tackle any situation. A good salesperson should have a confidence in his presentation skills and handling objections. The last one under mental qualities are ability to observe and judge. A success of a salesperson depends highly on his ability and the conditions around him and his ability to take prompt decisions. So these are the mental qualities. Now let's have a look on social qualities of a salesperson. A good salesperson must be social. He must treat everyone, rich, poor, equally. Next is courtesy. It is said that Courtesy has no cost but has high impact. Salesperson must deal every customer with courtesy. The next is cooperative. A salesman himself needs cooperation from various person, so he must be cooperative with the other members as well. The next is convincing conventionalist. Salesman must be good conventionalist. He must have an ability to speak complicated things in a clear way. The next one is patience. Many times sales presentation do not have an effective result. Some people deliberately annoy the salesperson. So he must have a patience and deal with every situation calmly. Next one is moral or ethical qualities. Honesty. It is said that honesty is the best policy. A salesperson should not lie to his customers and deliver everything according to his promises. Next is loyalty. To be successful, a salesperson must be loyal towards his company, sales manager, fellow salesmanship and company. The last one is very important, and that is professional qualities. First is educated and trained. Well-educated and trained salesperson could increase sales turnover of the company by his ability to engage with customers. Knowledge about the institution. A salesperson must know each and every minute detail of the company. Past, present performance, types of product being offered, the credit policy of the company, everything should be known to the salesperson. Knowledge of the product. Ernest and the Well has rightly said that nothing is more important to the salesperson than knowing the product. Salesperson must know all the features and ingredients of the product in which he is dealing with. Next is very important, communication skills. It is said that personal selling is a two-way communication between the customers and the salesman. So it is a communication skills which helps the salesman to persuade the customer to buy the product. And the last one is knowledge of customer. A good salesman must have information about the demographics, buying motives, likes and dislikes of the customer. So I hope this video helpful to understand what are the qualities which a salesperson must have to be successful in their marketing career. Thank you so much.